I think it's a little more effective when it's softer because it like breaks off, but stays on there. I'd love that. So, fine line. Maybe after it sauces up for a while, it'll be better.
This is legal. It's compost.
That's birch.
Mm-hmm.
Nice try. Oh, hey, this is called chaga. Oh, those are those mushrooms you draw on. Right here.
Fungus. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
See that? That's all rotten, man. That's like just bark though. Little yellow birch.
Yeah.
Water birch. There's a bunch here, hey? Like over there.
Oh, there's a good size one there too. That'd be a cool one.
Totally.
Yeah.
Wouldn't find it. Big chunk.
My GVW is maxed out today.
Yeah.
Oh, big time.
You can stop whenever.
320 is my GVW. It's a blizzard out there. Greg's getting the fire ready to cook. Got his line on the jaw jacker out there. Got mine here. No bites yet. Don't have much camera battery left because apparently my camera was recording in my pocket for about half an hour, so it is windy as hell out there. Hey.
Cold out.
Yeah.
But it's snowy too.
Blizzard.
Got some birch here.
Oh yeah. That's chicken cooking wood. Man, I wish I brought in that big one. I gotta work on bringing them through the hole slower and actually lining up my, like, next time I gotta lean over the hole and line him up more. Because I think I was pulling and he caught on the ice. Oh, yeah. And it ripped through his mouth, I think. It felt just like those big ones at Shannon Lake when you pull them and they just rip through their mouth because you're trying to get them through the hole, and
I could see the fish, and it covered up the whole hole.
Yeah. these are going, but your jacket's like soaked. Yeah, what?
Where to make that hole in the snow?
I don't know, but your jacket's like soaked on the back.
My jacket?
Just on the back, it
Oh,
looks
it's
it
all
looks so.
frozen.
Hole in the snow, not knowing. If you want to wash your hands, you could use the one in here.
Ah, it's all good.
Okay. Got some spicy vegetables. Man, that break from the wind is really awesome. Love this tent. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be doing this out there in the fucking blizzard. Fuck that. Oh yeah. These are gonna be spicy. This can go on when the chicken's like halfway or something like that. Spicy veggies. Just keep them right here. Look at that.
Thaw out in a fucking hour, we'll be lucky, I'm sure. Just gotta roast them slow. Very
Yeah,
slow.
yeah.
I'm cooking all the...
Oh yeah, there's heat in there. There's definitely heat in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, absolute blizzard out here. I'm gonna go for a little walk.
You wanna take a saw with you?
No,
Okay.
just joking. No, I will.
Fuck it. If you follow my tracks, it'll take you to that bird.
I want to see. There's a guy fishing over here earlier today. I'd like to see if there's any evidence of him catching some fish in the form of, you know, whatever, blood on the ice or fish guts or whatever. And also take the time to grab some firewood. Just as I suspected, underneath the fresh snow there's blood. So he's obviously catching some fish here. There's a good standing dead. If I can get up there. Gonna end up flat on my fucking back. Come on, you bitch. All right. Fuck it. Ugh. Oh. He caught something over there. He caught something over there. There's blood on the ice.
Now that's a win of fire right there. Winter. Bending off the beat.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
I was just gonna kick back for a second. Shit. It licked right at you. Came up here.
No fish today, other than one measly sculpin.